Push-ups are the undisputed king of upper body weight exercises. They require no equipment, can be done anywhere, and build functional strength, muscular endurance, and a powerful physique. But here's the hard truth that most fitness gurus gloss over. The push-up is a deceptively complex movement. It's a moving plank, a test of full body tension, and an intricate dance of joint mechanics all rolled into one. If your form is compromised, you're not just spinning your wheels, you're actively working against your goals. You're building bad movement patterns that will carry over to other lifts, robbing your target muscles, chest, shoulders, and triceps of the stimulus they need to grow. And, most critically, setting yourself up for a painful, progress-halting injury. The difference between a mediocre, risky push-up and a world-class, muscle-building push-up often comes down to the subtle details. You might think you're nailing it, but odds are you're committing at least one of these 5 cardinal sins. Let's fix that right now with an exhaustive breakdown of each mistake, why it's so detrimental, and how to build a perfect rep from the ground up. Mistake number 1. The skyward gaze, cervical spine misalignment. The mistake. As you lower yourself towards the floor, you crank your neck back, lifting your chin and looking towards the horizon, the wall, or even the ceiling. It feels natural because you want to see where you're going or you're checking your form in the mirror. The deep dive into why it's wrong. This is more than just a bad look. The spine is a single interconnected unit. When you hyperextend your neck, craning it back, you break the neutral alignment from your tailbone to your skull. Your cervical vertebrae, the ones in your neck, are not designed to bear significant load under tension in this extended position. This places immense strain on the small muscles of the neck, the ligaments, and the cervical discs. Furthermore, this misalignment creates a kink in the kinetic chain. Your nervous system works most efficiently when your spine is in a neutral position. By breaking this line, you can actually diminish the neural drive to the major muscles of the upper body. You're creating a point of tension and instability that the rest of your body has to compensate for, making the entire movement less efficient and more hazardous. The fix, the double chin drill. Instead of looking up, you need to create a long, neutral spine. Imagine you're holding a tennis ball between your chin and your chest. As you get into your push-up position, gently tuck your chin. Your gaze should be fixed on a specific point on the floor, about 6 to 12 inches in front of your hands. This point should remain your focal point for the entire set. If you have a mirror, do not look at yourself in it. Trust the sensation of alignment over the visual feedback. Practice this while lying on your back on the floor, feeling the back of your neck lengthen and press gently into the ground. This is the cervical position you want to maintain under load.